Have you ever wondered why some people have darker skin color, why some people have lighter skin color in different regions? That's because of natural selection. What is natural selection? Well, it's the process where the species with the better traits and characteristics in such environment will survive and reproduce offspring with those better characteristics of that environment. The ones that don't will die off and go extinct. So in this video, we did a simulation where it's on another planet where there are three types of birds: the toothpick beak bird, the chopstick beak bird, and the fork-beak bird. However, there's a new species of bird, the spoon-beak bird, which is an invasive species that has migrated into this environment. There are two environments, the M&M and the jelly. And now, since there's a new species, there's not enough food for all the species. So natural selection will decide which species will survive, which will not. So let's get into the simulation planets now.
For our hypothesis, we think that for the M&M environment, the spoon-beak bird will get the most food, while the gummy environment, the chopstick beak bird will get the most food. Thus, these two species will survive. As for the other two, the toothpick beak bird and the fork beak bird, best case, they will just go in danger, but worst case, they will go extinct. Next is material. For the beak of the bird, we'll have spoon, fork, chopstick, and toothpick. While for the other material, we'll have 3 cups, a paper plate, gummy, and M&Ms, and a timer. Now, to our procedure.
For the procedure, first put M&M onto the plate, then have one person time and the other person using each beak individually to transfer the food into the plate for 15 seconds. Then record how many food they managed to get on the plate for 3 times and find the average. Then change to the gummy's environment and find out which bird beak will survive. From the table and chart, it is easy to see that the spoon-beak bird performed the best among the other species. And also, the other 3 species will not survive well in the environment.
So we can conclude that the spoon-beak bird will definitely survive through the interspecific competition as it managed to get the most food in both environments, and it will be our least concern. The chopstick beak bird did a little worse, but it will still survive through the competition. However, there will be more of this species in the gummy environment rather than the M&M environment, and it will also be our least concern, although not as much as the spoon-beak bird. In contrast, the toothpick beak bird and the fork beak bird did the worst in both environments, and you would not see these species in the M&M environment at all. Now, these species will become critically endangered due to the spoon-beak birds eating all the food that is available to them.
Lastly is our evaluation. I say we were doing our best in using each utensil, despite us actually trying to compete each other to get the most candy.
เฮ้ยนายจะทำอย่างนี้กับฉันไม่ได้
หยุด
And actually trying to rush to get the experiment done so we can eat the candy in the end of the simulation. But I say we actually have each utensil as our literal body, then maybe we will pick more candy. If this is the case, then all the 4 birds wouldn't be extinct because they will actually be good at using their beak. And that is the experiment. Thank you. They will เขาจะผลแล้วเขาจะเสียใจเองหรือไม่เขาการ